Hello there, and welcome to this 7-day morning awakening meditation session. Today, on the first day of our course, we will practice a morning relaxing meditation, which will guide you to start your day with ease and calm. Take the next few minutes just for yourself. Ground and recharge yourself for the whole new day. And take a position that is comfy for you in a quiet area. Breathe in this fresh new day, filling your body with positivity. And exhale out through your mouth as you relax your shoulders. Inhale deeply and exhale out through your mouth with a sigh, making an ah sound. One more time. Inhale deeply. Open your chest and exhale all the air out through your mouth. Coming back to normal breathing, and do a body scan from the top of your head to the soles of your feet. Relax your forehead and eyes, closing them. Traveling with this feeling down to your jaw, neck, and shoulders. Breathe in fresh new oxygen and continue to relax, releasing the strain from your chest and arms. Bring this sensation to your abdominal wall and lower back. Feel how this relaxation spreads down to your pelvic area, thighs, knees, and soles. Inhale and exhale, feeling this profound relaxation. Your breathing brings calm and peace into your being. You are in a state of calmness. Begin to listen to your breath, softening more and more with every breath you take. Your mind becomes quiet, and the internal chatter stops. You feel the gentle flow of each inward breath, filling your body with refreshing new energy for this beautiful day. You may feel some tingling sensations in your body. You are becoming refreshed and focused. Your muscles soften further and further as you breathe in and out. Each exhalation brings a release of pressure and stress. Allow your mind to have the ability to become silent for a moment. If thoughts come, accept them and let them go without any judgment or attachments. Your mind is yours, and you are in control. Any worries you have come out from your being as you breathe in and out. You are able to start this day with ease and release all anxiety and stress. Allow yourself to soften and relax more profoundly with each breath you take. Positive energy enters your being with each inhalation, and with each exhalation, you release all things that no longer serve you and your highest good. Be true to yourself and become a stronger person to find your own identity. Respect yourself and love yourself. Take a few moments to be here with yourself and prepare for this magical day. Breathe slowly in and out, feeling the profound relaxation in this present moment. Now set your intention for today, anything you wish to accomplish or do. Smile and continue to breathe. End this practice with a smile and open your eyes whenever you feel ready. Have a day filled with love, confidence, and grace.